If you work with tables in Microsoft Word, there's a really useful feature that a lot of people miss. You can use formulas right inside your table cells. That means you can add numbers, calculate totals, and even use simple functions without leaving Word or exporting anything to Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get formulas in tables in Microsoft Word step by step in a way that's easy to follow even if you've never used this feature before. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, shortcuts, and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and make sure you already have a table created. This can be a simple table with numbers in one or more columns, or a more detailed table where you want to total up values. The important thing is that your table needs to already be in place before you insert a formula. Now click inside the table cell where you want the result to appear. This is very important because Word will place the formula in the exact cell that you select. For example, if you want a total at the bottom of a column, click into the empty cell where that total should go. Once you've clicked in the correct cell, look up at the ribbon and go to the Layout tab. Just make sure you're using the Layout tab under Table Tools, because this tab only appears when your cursor is inside a table. If you don't see it, click back inside the table and it should show up automatically. After that, find the data group on the right side of the Layouts tab. In that section, click Formula. This opens the Formula dialog box, which is where you can enter your calculation. Now in the formula box, you can type a formula manually. One of the most common examples is equals sum open parenthesis above close parenthesis, which tells Word to add together all the numbers above the current cell. This is perfect for totals at the bottom of a column. You can also use other formulas depending on what you need, and Word may suggest some options in the paste function menu if you want to choose a built-in function instead of typing one from scratch. If your table has numbers to the left instead of above, you can use a different reference like left, depending on your layout. The key thing to remember is that Word formulas in tables are based on cell references, so you're telling Word where to look for the values. Once your formula is entered, click OK. Word will process the formula and display the result directly in that table cell. At this point, you should see your calculated value appear immediately inside the table. If the result doesn't look right, don't worry. Just click back into the cell and open formula again. You can then adjust the formula, change the reference, or try a different function until you get the correct result. This is one of the reasons Word formulas are so handy. You can quickly edit them without rebuilding the whole table. This feature is especially useful for invoices, reports, school assignments, budgets, and simple data summaries. Instead of manually adding numbers every time something changes, you can let Word do the calculation for you inside the table itself. One quick tip. Make sure your numbers are entered consistently, because formulas work best when the table data is clean and organized. If you're using decimals, currency, or percentages, keep the format consistent across the columns so your results are easy to read. And that's it. You've now learned how to get formulas in tables in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time when working with structured documents. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Word tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.